American Software Testing Institute offers broad array of partnerships. We form an ally. We unite to all individuals, businesses, government agencies, and communities to create workforce occupational training. We are looking for more allies to provide internships or apprenticeships to our learners. We provide workforce-ready training, you provide the real work experience. Hire our graduates. Our graduates are highly skilled in all facets of software development and testing. We also provide custom, tailored courses for your company needs, including retraining and certifications. We welcome partnerships with local or county workforce development board. We can be your training provider for your career centers or one-stop career center. American Software Testing Institute is your new partner in bringing equality in tech industry by helping diversified workforce-ready software tester from rural areas, underserved communities, unemployed or underemployed, women, minorities, and Native Indians. Contact us and let us form alliance.